inch. Yeah, I did hit it, the rear button by mistake. So now it's recording again. Fabulous. Well, that'll just be, well, okay. Alright, so that looks like that there. Okay, great. So, alright, so, let's see here. So, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so let me put this on the tripod. Alright, angle it up. I guess I'll start here at the bottom. Hopefully you can hear this one working. Let's see here. Let me rotate this one around so I can see what it's seeing. There we go. Alright, this one here on the bottom is this Sansui CP-99W. Okay, meaning the double decks. I got this plugged into the headphones because the speakers don't do anything. I was trying to get sound out of it. But let me let you listen to what it does when you first turn it on. This deck runs and that's it. And it goes away. I don't know if you heard that, but it just spun up and then died. Okay? Then if we flip it over to, we got it on tuner, flip it to AM here, we can tune the radio, alright? We can tune the radio, and then there it's locked on something, but run the volume up and down, it just doesn't do a blooming thing. No sound out here, and unplug it. Still no sound, but it's getting a power level indicator here saying it's doing something. The speakers are plugged in on the back. I'll show you that later maybe. Alright, so that just doesn't do anything. So I'll leave that alone. Now this one here, which is a Sansui CP-77W. Well, that's what I wanted to do. Well, let me see here. If I go to Google, I've got the keyboard right here. Yeah. I type in Sansui CP-77W, enter, and then okay, let's look under more videos. So there's a video I made, Decent Man for You, Boombox Cassette to Go, that's also me. And then of course here's the Boombox Cassette to Go. This is a video I made a long time ago. Only 8,000 views. And when I made this, published on 6. This camera here can't see this. So let me flip this camera over so you can see it. I don't know if the other camera can see it, but there it is. There's the happy video that I made about this stack of stuff way back when. Okay. Put this back here. There goes a cassette. Who cares? Got thousands of cassettes. Alright, so there's that. Let's see, you really can't see that. What can this see? I can't even... You can't see that either, so here. There it is. There's a video I made. Yay. Continuing on. Alright, so... Now this one... Okay, that doesn't do anything. So now we're going to power this one on.
What's poppin', y'all? This is Cardi B, and right now, this song is called Drip, me featuring Migos. Came through drippin', drip, drip. At 97.9W. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin', drip, drip. Diamonds on my wrist, they drippin'. Ice. Came through drippin'.
I don't know what that is, but here we got... This was turned into something. This has a beeping noise in that channel. I don't know what that is. Here, wait. What happened here? There's locked. I don't want to sell that music, so let me run that down. Okay, and then this one's ran all the way down, but as you can get still sound from it, meaning that these need to be cleaned. Alright, so then let's see here. You can't see that. We're listening to my own video up here. I guess I gotta pick this up by hand. Alright, here, pick it up by hand. Rotate this thing around again. So did you see that? I don't know if you saw that or not. Alright, so let's see here. And then if we take this and just run it up to the top here. So did we play this one? It's on. Yeah, it's on, so... Okay, so that works. Turn that off. What is this? Turn the video off. Gosh, all right, there. And then the red one is a Sanyo CP-55W, okay? And it, what does it do? Can you see that up there? Yeah, you can. All right, so. This one. I don't want to sell that music. And then lastly we have a Sansui FX-300R. Now this one here, let me see, I guess I should bring it down to the table as I have it stacked up. So I'll just run this down, bring you down. Okay, so here's this, all right? And you see it, you can see it. Can we see it here? Yeah, okay, so here. Okay, so if we hit play on the tape, all right. Okay, well it does that, and if you flip it over to radio, you won't believe this, but this has never worked before until I made this video. I was going to show you this thing not working, and now it's working. I don't understand it. This is amazing to me.
1029 now. But
okay.
I don't think she. Okay, in the past, she used to outline her lip.
I don't believe it. Honest to God, I don't believe it. This thing was not working for the past months. I just put new batteries in it. I'll be damned. Golly, let's see. That's just amazing. I mean, okay, I don't want to get off on myself too much. Just that's, I thought it was broke. I mean, I rebelted it way back when, but I could never get the sound to come out of it. So now it's working. This is friggin' amazing. Let's see here. Wait. Okay, the door never does want to fly open anymore. So. Alright. Man, that's amazing to me. I'm sorry. I thought I was going to try and sell this. Maybe I'll keep it now. Alright, well, I've had too much fun. Let me shut off both these cameras. This one's a lot longer. Here, I'll let you look. See, I'm up here talking to you. Yeah, I'm just having fun here. Okay, so much for that. So, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and repair the red one here. And but I just wanted to get these all out here and show them all off once again. It's been since, since 2011 that these have been seen by humans other than me. Alright, good day, bye bye, hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Turn that one off, turn this one off. Alright, and then, well, here, let me see. This one here, the camera shut off, so I'll just go back in reverse here. Okay, and because so I don't have to make two videos, but I was in here, the other computer, doing other stuff. And yes, this is my bedroom. Okay, and just that, and there are the Sanyos I made a video about, and here's the Quasar I made a video about just in my cassette tape Walkman thing. This is rare. You've never seen this before, I know, because I googled it and I couldn't find it. But there it is. It's a cute little Quasar. It's a 3683, I believe. GX 3683. Okay, and then and here's my last. What is this thing called? It's a JVC RC550, but it needs the function switch. The function switch, and also needs one of these screw-in deals here that goes there and all that. Because the function switch, the switch here, this is a switch. Okay, that's the switch, but the lever, all the lever paraphernalia or whatever that goes from here to up to here somewhere is all broke off, missing, gone. Alright, so, and lastly, let me run back here to my phones, because I started this at 12 o'clock noon of 2018, April, all that. So if I flap that up, wait, go home. Alright, so go home. Come on. Come on, you. There, okay. So there it is. Wednesday, 12/13, April 25, 2018. I've said all that. Alright, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Oh, and lastly, yeah. This is where those Sansuis were kept. So they're up here on the bottom, underneath, as I'm in my famously called radio room, as Mom keeps describing it to everybody that comes by here. But sadly, nobody that wants to buy a boombox can come by here, because Mom don't want. Anyway, so here are just all these. Hey, this is a much bigger file in this camera, so yeah, we got these up there and those up there and all that, and spare speakers and who knows. Okay, and just expensive tapes. That means they're TDK or M90s or I don't know. And then here's some from 2007. I started buying cassettes even before that, but anyway. Okay, and here's another. Still, I need to sell this. I have too many decks. See, while I'm here with this, let's see here. I guess I can just go into the closet, right? Have I got cords? Yeah, I've got cords. Let's see here. So, what am I showing in the closet? Yeah, there's my one of two reel-to-reels I've got. There's my Denon. There's my Nakamichi, which I don't need. Got some reels, some more cassette tapes. Got them everywhere. Got reel-to-reels, and just old clothes. And getting out of that closet, let's go to the other closet. Let's see. Well, here I got CDs. I don't play them, but I got them. Okay. Yeah. And then up here in this closet is the the A38, which I'll repair someday, and also way up here behind the Casio is a M90. Okay, I'm sure you could tell that that's an M90 up there. And this is a keyboard CK500, keeping the dust off of it. This is a Rhythm 90 or Rhythm 900S. I'll get to this. I got this from my buddy in Austria a long time ago. This is for sale, $1,700, shipped worldwide, brand new in the box. Still got all the factory wrapping in it. That's one of my keepers down there, okay? And just, I'm having too much fun now. 13 minutes. This will be a huge file on this camera. And just, again, more odd stuff just everywhere. There's the R2D2. He's got batteries in it, right? Want to hear him scream? It's like, whoops, can we reach it? Oh, yeah. Okay, and then there's a Iowa, my old model rocketry. Yeah, I used to do model rockets. There's a, what is that? There's a pink Cadillac thing. I need to get back with this guy across the world. I don't know, no comment. What are those? I can't remember. Iowas? Those are Iowas and Sanyos. Okay. Then we got Sony's way down there. We got a free play. You know what that is? Got a Sharp twin cassette thing, which is similar to this one here, but this one here is, just needs speakers. Okay. That's for sale, sadly. That's not for sale. That's not for sale. Okay. This is work in progress. Yeah. And then here's a couple of more really small ones, and then there's a whatever that is, and I'll be selling this sometime soon. Don't know when. Alright, well, I've had too much fun. I gotta go, and I gotta get back to work. It's getting late in the day, and I'm waiting for something to come in the mail. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Thank you for watching.